How to fix Telegram attempts, please try again later on Android. So if you want to fix Telegram too many attempts, please try again later on your Android, then what you need to do is you just need to simply follow this video. So you don't need to worry because this is just a security measure set by Telegram to prevent abuse, but with my fix, you'll be able to get rid of this issue. Now, before trying out anything, you should try waiting for a few hours or even a day, and the problem should automatically go away. But if it still doesn't fix your problem, then you can try the advanced solution, which is the first solution is to remove the Instagram application from your background. If you have something on your background, you need to just go and remove it. And once you've removed that, you need to find your Telegram application on your home screen. And once you find it, you need to tap and hold on to your Telegram application, and then you will find an option of app info. You need to tap on it. Once you tap on the app info, you need to scroll down and go with storage and cache section. Under storage and cache, you need to go with clear cache, which will be in the right side, and clear your cache of your Telegram. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then you just need simply go and uninstall your Telegram application and then reinstall it. To do that, you need to tap and hold on to your Telegram, and then you will have an option of remove. You need to tap on remove or uninstall, and after uninstalling, go back to your Play Store. And from your Play Store, you need to search for your Telegram. Search for Telegram. And after searching, you'll find Telegram application. You can go and install it. But you may also have an update. So you can just simply go and update your Telegram, and after updating, your problems might be fixed. But if that still doesn't fix your problem, then the last solution is to go with Telegram support. So go with your Google and search for Telegram support, and then go with telegram.org, which will be in the first. Once it opens up, you will have this kind of interface. You need to describe your problem. For example, my Telegram is showing too many attempts while logging in, and then add your full legal name and then some email address and then your phone number, and go with submit, and it will fix your Telegram too many attempts. Please try again later on your Android. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.